This summer, creativity is on tap in Springfield Township. Introducing Arts and Drafts, where craft beer meets creative fun. Stop by HighGrain Brewery and discover Arts Connect's DIY Pottery Kits. Each kit comes with everything you need to create a one-of-a-kind piece. Scan the QR code for easy-to-follow instructions. Sip, socialize, and enjoy hands-on creativity. When you're finished, just fill out the info card, pack the supplies back in the bag, and hand it off to your server. It's a simple way to add some art into your day. Then we take it from there. At Arts Connect, your piece is kiln-fired and clear-glazed for a beautiful finish. In just a week or two, pick your finished pottery from our studio and celebrate your creativity. Arts Connect. Create, experience, inspire. Visit HighGrain to get your kit. Check out the website to learn about art classes and explore more ways to get messy with us.